As you can see, there's some bit that's outside. We just chop it off real quick. This place will be covered by the light, so this is not something to like worry about real bad. But still, let's chop it off. It's just a small portion, so we have to make a join in there, since if you don't, then the whole section can get wiped off. Now we'll go off top. Now for that, shift this, make a copy. Now clear the parent, Alt P to clear the parent. Let's rename it to D for duplicate. Then let's just name the duplicate of the duplicate. RX90 to make it face upwards. We'll do a little bit of cleanup in here. Let's turn off the mirror modifier. Select these, then XF. Let's get rid of the vertices. Now go to the bottom. Now we have to go to the bottom. Yeah.